Is it possible to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency? Absolutely yes. If you are just starting crypto day trading, here is everything you should know about making money day trading. The best way to make $100 a day on cryptocurrency is to invest around $1,000 and track a 10% rise on one pair. This is a realistic approach compared to investing $200 and tracking a 50% rise on the pair. This is because, when it comes to crypto investment, the trick is to always put a substantial amount of money and increase your chances of making a profit from it. But, before you make $100 a day, you need to know how to day trade. And, day trading works for people who are willing to dedicate their time and money. For starters, you need to have time and the right software to analyze data, so that you can make the right decisions. Making $100 a day might not happen on the first day, but with proper skills and experience, you can reach your target. Here's some things you need to look at to make $100 a day in crypto. Stay updated on the market trends. It is important to always know what happens in the crypto market. You can do this by reading the news and following blogs. Social media is also a good place to get news, but you need to do that from reliable sources. Staying updated on what is happening in the market will help you to make the right decision. Market analysis from news sources is as important as technical analysis. Staying up to date with the news can also help you to know the other coins available in the market. Manage risks. Managing risk is an important aspect when investing in crypto. When you manage risk, you will trade for a long time without losing hope. The first step is to invest only in what you can lose. Avoid investing a lot of money as a beginner. You have to go through the learning curve, so making gradual progress is the way to go. Diversify. Like any other form of investment, you need to diversify. We have different types of crypto coins, so do not put your money in just one coin. Look at the coins performing well and try to diversify your investment. It is one of the best ways to manage risk. If one coin is performing badly, you will be able to make money with other coins. Be patient and consistent. Patience and consistency will go a long way in trading. It is advisable to stay patient when trading because you are likely to have some good and bad days. Staying consistent is also important, as it will help you to learn fast. As a beginner, you will need to learn trends and analytics. And therefore, trading every day will help you to learn. Taking profits versus holding. Taking profits versus holding is always a debate. The truth is that it depends on your situation. If you are a new trader, you need to practice a lot. It is advisable to hold your crypto instead of taking the profits. Holding the profits will help you to learn how to trade and learn from the market trends. When to take profits in crypto. You can take profits in crypto at 50%. This is a good place to set your profit because it allows you to grow your profit and diversify your risk. The truth is that every trader has a preference depending on the amount of risk that they are willing to take. Best coins to collect for profit. Before collecting any crypto coins, you need to do enough research. You need to check the coins that are performing well and also make sure that you can make a profit from them. Here are some of the best coins to collect if you want to make a profit. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, Polygon. New coins are coming up every day, so you need to be on the lookout. Reading news and doing some research will help you to make the right choice. Be sure to always do your own research when making money in crypto, as this is not financial advice.